What's cracking, everybody? What's cracking? Welcome back to the channel. New video. I grabbed some clips, right? Some different type of people that I found on IG. A little compilation, and we'll get to that. But it's Friday, and I decided I want to do this video. I'm going to let you know right now, it's pretty damn immature. This video is called 1,000 Farts to Help You Sleep. How do farts make you sleep? Like maybe if you had like indigestion or something, right? You got to make some room and feel comfortable, right? But how are the noises from farts going to make you decide to go to sleep? Let's find out. Let's see if we can stay awake. Hey, anyways, listen. I want to see how long we go into this video. If these are, I want to see if they make me laugh. We'll go a few minutes. If it doesn't work, how do I do commentary on farts? Let's find out. Let's get it. And none of these are me, so. Why do I hear somebody? Why do I hear somebody talking? I don't think they're funny. That was. Wait. That one was whoever that was. They were double jointed. There was a fart and then there was air sound. Were there? Did it have a chorus? But like not a chorus, but like what do they call that when there's two people? Harmony. How was there a fart and air at the same time? Listen. Right. This isn't good content. They're numbering the farts? There's more air with them. They're not funny. Are you farting a pillow? That was a secret fart. How does this make you tired? Can anybody... I don't even know if I'm going to put this out. This is ridiculous. I thought we'd at least get something funny. Hold up. I feel like we heard that one a bunch of times already. A couple shy ones. There were a couple shy ones. No. This isn't cutting it. Hold on. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. This woman went through a procedure, and we're going to react. And what we're going to react to is we are here. This episode is called Mythbusters. I know that's already a show, but hey, for right now, I am busting myths. You know, I know a lot of us men, as long as you didn't grow up with a sister, you believed it. Women don't fart. They don't fart. And if women go number 2, it looks like a flower. Well, this woman is going to prove us wrong. Let's get it.
What?
I was a bad noodle.
You were a bad noodle? Did you eat a bad noodle?
I ate and they cleaned my poop hole.
What?
Yeah.
Were you awake?
I woke up for that part.
You were awake? Did you see it on the screen?
Yeah, I was like, there's stuff in there.
Are you pretty
There's stuff in there. Did it look like flowers?
pink in there?
I don't know.
You remember the color?
It was different colors. They had to flush me out with water.
They had to flush you out while you were in there?
Yeah, apparently stuff was stuck in there.
Sick. Like what?
No, because my poop was cleared.
Maybe this wasn't a good idea.
Times.
Oh. You didn't do your cleanse right, probably.
I freaking drink half of that crap and the full crap at home.
Jesse, run quick.
Have you been farting yet?
Yes. I don't know if I can fart. I don't want to poop my pants.
You're supposed to.
I don't want to poop my pants.
So women do fart and poop. Tragedy.
I need a diaper. I need to get up.
I gotta get up. She needs to go get a diaper.
gotta get
Where are you gonna go get a diaper from?
Poop my, oh.
Here. Okay, wait a minute.
In the bag. All right, thanks, guys.
I think they said something about food in my stomach still, but that was like way over
All right, lift
12
up.
hours ago.
Lift up a little bit. That better?
I think I don't want to poop my pants.
What?
Do
This
it.
is gas or poop.
Yes, it's just air in there.
It's
from
just
the
air,
tubes.
girl. She said, she asked the nurse, is this gas or poop? The camera ain't there no more. It's just, deal with it. Let's get it. Come on, let's do it.
So just fart it out, okay? Don't hold it in. Check your blood pressure. That's good. Yep, let that air out.
Good.
That felt so good.
Oh, your mom's gonna find show you this later.
They said I had food in my stomach.
Check this out now.
Why did the second one sound aggressive? We're almost done, guys. She can't have any left, right? That was it. It's a woman. There's no more. She won't fart for the rest of her life. This is a procedure. They put the air in there. I'm telling you.
I love it because every time I have mine, you guys get me on film.
Oh my God, she's admitting to it. Ugh. Oh, my allergies. That was pretty funny. Let me know if we should do Friday fart videos. Is that the stupidest thing you've ever heard of? I'm down. If you're down, let me know. That's my Friday fart video of the day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Everybody, please be safe, be smart, and tell the ones you love that you love them, man. I'm out of here.